Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Numerous leaks surrounding accessory manufacturing have provided a glimpse into the design of Nintendo Switch 2. While the official name remains unconfirmed, it's widely speculated to be the Nintendo Switch 2. Following Nintendo's tradition of introducing innovative features with each new console, the Switch 2 is expected to boast a unique gimmick that sets it apart from its predecessor. One intriguing detail that has emerged from these leaks is an additional button on the right Joy-Con, positioned beneath the home button and labeled C. This C button has appeared consistently across various accessory manufacturer leaks and CAD renderings, sparking intense speculation about its intended function. This analysis will explore several potential functions for the C button, ranging from the highly speculative to the most probable. Cast. A remote play revolution? The C button could enable a cast feature, allowing users to wirelessly stream their Switch 2 gameplay to another device, potentially a TV or another Switch 2 console. This would function similarly to remote play but with a more streamlined and integrated approach. Potential benefits. Dual-screen gameplay. This could facilitate unique gameplay experiences, especially for games originally designed for dual-screen systems like the DS and 3DS. Enhanced developer creativity. Developers could leverage this feature to create innovative gameplay mechanics that utilize a second screen. Drawbacks. Technical challenges. Wireless streaming can introduce latency and input lag, potentially impacting gameplay. Battery life concerns. Running two displays simultaneously would significantly drain the Switch 2's battery, especially in handheld mode. Complexity. Implementing and optimizing such a feature would present significant technical challenges for Nintendo. Conclusion. While the cast feature is an exciting possibility, its potential drawbacks and the complexity of its implementation make it less likely to be the primary function of the C button. Capture or camera. Enhanced multimedia functionality? Capture. The C button could be dedicated to enhanced gameplay capture features, allowing for more flexible recording options, such as recording specific time intervals or longer gameplay sessions. Camera. Some leaks have suggested that the Switch 2 might incorporate a dedicated camera accessory that connects via the top USB-C port. The C button could then be used to activate the camera and access camera-related features. Drawbacks. Redundancy. The current capture functionality is already accessible via the dedicated capture button on the left Joy-Con. Limited need for a dedicated camera. With high-quality cameras readily available on smartphones, a dedicated camera on the Switch 2 might not be a compelling feature. Conclusion. Both the capture and camera theories seem less likely, as existing functionalities or alternative solutions appear more suitable. Connect. Simplified Joy-Con attachment and detachment? If the Switch 2 utilizes a magnetic attachment system for the Joy-Cons, the C button could act as a connect/disconnect button, facilitating the secure attachment and easy detachment of the Joy-Cons. This would be particularly relevant if the Joy-Cons feature additional input buttons, requiring a more secure attachment mechanism. Likelihood. This is a plausible scenario, given the potential complexities of a magnetic attachment system and the need for a reliable mechanism to secure the Joy-Cons during gameplay. Community or command center. Enhanced social features? The C button could serve as a dedicated button for accessing a command center, a system-level menu that provides quick access to social features, such as friend list, view online friends, send friend requests, and check online status. Chat functionality. Initiate voice and text chats with friends, join party chats, and send game invites. System settings. Quickly adjust volume, brightness, and other system settings. Likelihood. This is arguably the most probable function for the C button. Increased social interaction. In today's gaming landscape, robust social features are essential. Streamlined user experience. A dedicated button for accessing social features would provide a more convenient and intuitive user experience. Alignment with industry trends. Modern consoles often prioritize social features, and Nintendo is likely to follow suit with the Switch 2. The community or command center function aligns well with the expected evolution of social features on gaming consoles and provides a practical and user-friendly implementation for the C button. In conclusion, while the exact function of the C button remains a mystery, the community or command center theory appears to be the most likely scenario. This function would provide a valuable addition to the Switch 2's user experience, enhancing social interaction and streamlining access to key system features. Ultimately, the true purpose of the C button will only be revealed upon the official launch of the Nintendo Switch 2. Until then, Speculation and anticipation will continue to build around this intriguing new feature.